So I was to motivate myself and go have a shower. I say motivate myself because I need you know, things to warm up the water and everything, but it looked like a lot of rain is on the way. I mean, I will be wet anyway, but I put everything there. Everything is wet. I guess I took a shower already. I was just waking up, laying out in bed, and I was like, well, that'd be a good location to, you know, have a warm shower. I do have an outdoor shower that I warm up with propane. And although it is amazing, it's from Joka. I think this summer, and I think next summer, what I've done of mistake is I do have a little USB portable shower that I used to take with me in the summer, and I didn't bring this one with me, just a little mini one, because I was like, oh, I do have my warm portable shower. Warm portable shower is amazing, but it takes a little bit of time to just set it up. You need power, you need propane. It's amazing when the whole thing is plugged in and like it's the best shower ever. But until you get the best shower ever, it's just a little process. And a couple of times this summer, it was super hot, and I was in the perfect area to have a shower, and I was like, I don't want to have a warm shower first because it's super hot, and second, I don't want to like I'm gonna sweat just putting the whole thing together. So I was just having like with the bucket some kind of like shower-ish, but yeah, next summer I'm gonna bring that one because it would be useful on those really hot days, and when it's cold, like right now it's a little bit cold, a warm shower would have been awesome, but start pouring rain and everything's gonna be way too wet, so we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Sorry, Katie, that the order time was so short. So we have arrived to Wawa, a town, to be quite honest. I arrived a couple, pretty much hours ago. A little nap. I mean, barely a nap. I just relaxed in bed, to be quite honest. I did a grocery, and we are still in the parking lot of the grocery right now. And I was like, I'm going to bed. It's a gloomy, kind of chilly, gloomy day, and this morning when I woke up, I thought it would be a sunny day, and I was like, yes, sunny day. It's been like yesterday was raining all day, and the day before a little bit of rain, but yeah, I was kind of like I was stoked for the sunny day, and it didn't happen. just having a protein shake right now. I was looking on my Google map, doesn't work right now. It just show like nothing. Show where I am, but in the road, but it doesn't show any town. I tried to Google anything and it just doesn't show anything. I don't know what's going on. Problem with the app, I guess. I've been closing and turning back on and it didn't work. So we need to mail a couple things, and I need to find a place to do that, which I guess we're just gonna drive to town. That's the first plan. We'll see where the rest of the plan is gonna bring us. You got a good nap too, Kitty? I think what I saw on the sign when I was driving here is the town is only 3,000 people that live here, so we should be able to find the place to melt things up. We should be small enough for that. All right, I found it. All right, that was easy. Well done. So cute. So I passed here on my trail trip probably, I guess that's the third time right now, or fourth time. Young's general store. It looked pretty funny. I never been inside because every time I'm like, I don't need anything, and I don't really need anything right now at the general store, but we're just gonna poke our nose and grab a snack just for fun. But yeah, look, for the outside look pretty cool. We'll see inside. Like a little museum. This is cool. Alright, that was more fun than I thought. Happy dance! Happy dance! I thought that would be like corner store type of, you know, just grab some snacks and I thought that the outside was just kind of to bring people into the corner store more than anything else. But it was cute. I didn't expect that. If you wonder if I purchased something, the snack section was like 5 bags of chips almost. Nothing that I really wanted, and all the rest was like souvenir, t-shirt, and bags and stuff like this that I don't really carry in my van because I don't have any space anyway. And if you wonder if I grab a pickle, no, I don't like pickle, and the whole bucket of pickle didn't look appetizing at all. I guess some people come almost just for that. I don't know. I was looking to be the big thing. So let me know if you like the pickle over there, because yeah, I did try it for you guys. Sorry. You probably wonder what type of day it is today. Today is one of those days that I kind of like feeling good good and feeling a little bit slow. So I decided to make myself dinner, rice, and I was listening to some good music while I was cooking, and I was like, yeah, this is what I need. Sometimes you just need a little bit of music to just like bring the energy back. Hey, kitty. Yeah, today it is definitely not the day that I thought I would have. This morning I woke up, I was like, okay, I'm gonna put my hot shower. I have a hot shower beside the lake. It's gonna be gorgeous. It's gonna be refreshing. Everything. That didn't happen. Don't worry. I'm still gonna have like a shower sponge bath in my van, and maybe tomorrow go at the truck stop or find a place to put my hot shower. After that, I was like, I thought it would be sunny first of all, and I was like, oh, I know there's a bunch of trail and place to go visit just before this town, and I was like, I could do that. And when it started raining and I was driving, the more I was driving, the more I was like, I don't want to go for a walk. It's cold and drizzle, and yeah, one of those days. So I think we're gonna sleep in town. Last time I slept at the truck stop, which was okay, but not the greatest. To be honest, they had some like 2 trucks full of pig. And they spend the night right beside my van. I'm like, you didn't choose the right place to park your truck, not the right van. So I move a little bit down in the parking lot of the truck stop. But yeah, I don't think it should be legal, to be quite honest, to sleep with a bunch of animal in your truck. You know, for at least, you know, if you are to make a last day on Earth, do it quick, you know. Don't sleep with a bunch of animals in your truck. I don't know. My point of view should be illegal, but yeah, it's not the first time that happened. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to find a place a little bit more quiet. There's a plane right now that just take it off. That's funny. What about we sleeping at abandoned, I don't know, hotels maybe? Yeah, look like an hotel. I drove a couple of times beside this area, and I never stopped. I never check it out. And yeah, let's go check it out and see if we feel to sleep here or not. might be a little bit creepy. Who knows? Okay, we need to walk the area to see if it's a yes or a no. Looked like the place burned at one point. Okay, this is creepy. There's a door open there. Oh wow. This is a nice wall. It's gorgeous. Come on. Didn't expect that behind here. Yeah, it looked like there was an old hotel that burned down. This side, and the other side it just abandoned that area. This is creepy over there. Yeah, do you guess like this would be the door? They probably had a window there. probably a bed or something in the shower there. This is my guess. This is creepy too. Ooh. All right, I think that's where we're gonna sleep tonight. I know a lot of you is like, Amy, I don't think it's the best area to sleep. Seriously, if there was like an area that I see like a lot of people around, like creepy thing, probably not. And it's super close from, I think, like technically, to be honest, the police station is like two building on that side. Yeah, no, I don't feel that it's creepy at all, even if some people might also sleep there tonight. And like I say, there's already a trucker there, and I don't know if he's gonna sleep there because his engine is on right now. But yeah, I do think a lot of like truckers also stop around that area. So yeah, it's kind of where we're gonna sleep. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I deeply appreciate all of you guys, and I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Hi, Miss Kitty. You wanna give us a kiss? Is it kissing time? Dancing time? Little kiss? Aww, thank you. Aww, thank you. Bye-bye. All right. We'll see you in the next one, guys.